Let's go, baby. Welcome everybody to Banana Bread Trades. My name is Goose and we're trading RTH, baby. Let's go. First stream during the actual live session. We're excited. Holy cow, it's just like straight up right now. Just super moon engaged. Really sad right now, actually, because I just sat down and if you wouldn't guess it, just an absolute perfect initial balance high bounce. So I cry because I missed that. V sad. Hey Seth Mo. Hey Jordan. Otherwise known as Borb. Shouldn't you be working right now? But yeah, we're totally put in just a not great situation right off the bat. As far as taking a trade goes, we're put in total sit on hands mode. We just have to watch as it rips. No point in entering right now. If we come back to 37 or 38.80, maybe we'll get long. But we have to definitely be patient and wait and not get too excited here. 3,900, definitely a level that I'm watching. 3,900 to 3,920. That's kind of the area that I'm watching. So definitely waiting around for that. I think we get there. And yeah, you can see buyers just taking over. It's going to be just a slow grind up day. But 3,900, 3,920 kind of got some volume there. Previous volume there from the move down a while ago. So looking for some resistance-ish there. In total breakout mode though. We're above initial balance, above my doomsday level. Just all gas, no brakes, right? Very sad that I couldn't trade this open because as you can see overnight, just really hung out on this level and then ride it open. Just like a perfect just rip and go type setup. So we cry. We cry for Harambe and we cry for all the missed longs, the missed opportunities. Okay. So how's everyone else's day going? I just got back. I left around midnight to go sit on a drilling rig while they completed a new oil well. So I've been up for a good like 10 hours now, running off maybe 4 hours of sleep. But because of that, I get the rest of the day off so I can come stream and trade from the comfort of my own home. Which is pretty nice, not gonna lie. I like being home a lot more than I do like being at the office. Unfinished auction at the high. Let's take a look. Let's take a gander upon the low here. Make sure the low a day is good. 8:30. Yeah, low a day is good for regular trading hours. There's an unfinished auction there, but it's not the low. We do got a triple bottom, 38.30, but we are way too high to be concerned about that. Perfect finish auction at 38 there. Unfinished auction at 38.24. So the overnight low is an unfinished auction. That's something to note. But nothing too crazy. Like I said, we had a pretty nice rip, so it's good time to be patient, especially with it being now the afternoon session. No need to just like hop in and get all hunky-dory, right? We're above the, as far as VWAP goes, we're above that number 2 standard deviation band. Like we're pretty far extended. So getting long now is just ultimate FOMO. And I will not do that. I promise. We'll exercise we will exercise discipline. Sorry, had to think of the word. I'm tired. Let's go to our 4-hour chart here. And let's draw out our 3900 level. I switched accounts, so the levels aren't drawn here. So yeah, 3920 is that main, really this whole 3900, but 3920 is kind of our level. And there's, when the volume profile loads, you'll see also what I'm talking about. So we'll go ahead and mark out 38. There it is. Oh, that's from last month's volume profile is the one that we want. Through 3820. Let's go ahead and make it a right ray. Getting a little bit of a lower low there. Still an unfinished auction at the high. Maybe we get a pullback and we get a chance to long. I sincerely doubt it. Not on a not on a day like today. If we do, hashtag blessed, right? Hashtag mega blessed. 3810 to 3820. That's my other sauce level. Drawing most of these off of memory right now. I know it goes back a little further. And those are the two main ones we're really concerned about right now. There is a level at 3740, which also is a historical level too. It goes way back, further back than what my chart is showing right now. So I'm just going to draw it in. 3740 through 35. Right ray. There we go. That's enough downside levels for now. As I said, we're more or less focused on this 3920 level. Getting up to that, which I think we do. It's just a matter of how are we going to get there and can we play anything to get there. If it's just not going to give us that opportunity, doubtful. I did get Chick-fil-A, as you guys saw in the post. The only problem is that there's a split in the straw right here. So the only way I can actually suck the coffee out is if I absolutely deep throat the straw. Which you guys probably like, because you're a bunch of perverts. But I need to be able to drink my coffee. Because I'm tired, and it's absolutely delicious. Yeah, let's take a look at this right here. Let me close my drawings, or hide my drawings, hide all drawings. Look at this absolutely beautiful, oh, my power trades aren't on, but this beautiful IBH play. Like, initial balance high play, like look at that. Just broke above, real beautiful, and then came back, retested. I'm just so sad that I missed it. A lot of volume accumulated this morning, it looks like, in that first half hour. And then we had a good old spiky boy. I wonder what Decoy had posted here. Well, we had new home sales at this time right here, so I'm assuming that was the news. Let me pull up financial juice as well, just because that candle's a little aggressive for a 1 minute candle. Makes me wonder. Pull up the old juice. Oh, yeah. There was a lot going on. Let's pull this over here. There was a lot going on, as you can see here. Mostly looks like rates. Accelerate, yeah. Macklem was talking mostly about rates and inflation, so that's kind of what we can contribute that to. That's right at that time. Yeah, we are seeing early promising signs that underlying inflation is coming down. That's probably the news that gave us a little bit of pompage right there. So that's good to know at least. And yeah, it just sent us skyrocketing. What is just a beautiful play though. Can we talk about how beautiful that IB play is? I love an IB play like this. On God. Gas on God for real. Delicious. Delicious. It's probably spelt wrong. Oh, goodness gracious. Let me add this into the initial balance playbook of just another delicious trade that happened, right? Let me pull up something that happened yesterday as well, as far as IB goes. This was the trade that we took yesterday. We had a bit of an ascending wedge here. Here, let me screen grab it so I can draw on it, just so it's easier. Okay, so we had this little bit of, this is our IB. This red line's IB high, and this blue line is IB low, right? We had a bit of an ascending wedge here, and Delta was off and on, right? Like it was strong, then it was weak, but overall, like there was a lot of buying going on, higher lows. So we were all pretty confident that we were probably going to pop the high. I went ahead and when we were starting to get these higher lows, I went ahead and marketed long with a stop below this lower low right here, or this previous low. And then I just went ahead and held it almost all the way to end of day. As you can see, I held it all the way to the right before murder algo, basically. And my original target was 36.80. We did not quite get there. 36.80 up here. Right, it got a little bit too late in the day to where I was like, it seems a little bit far out of reach. And then the 50% initial balance extension, right? So if you divide your initial balance in half and then put that half on top of your initial balance high. So let's say if this initial balance was 40 points. Okay, so you divide that in half, and then you have a target up here at 20 points. That's the 50% extension. Because it's 50% of your initial balance, right? So half, 20 points. Above your initial balance. And there's some pretty good statistics on it. If you get above initial balance, then the 50% hits X amount % of the time. Same thing with getting below initial balance. If you break below, then the 50% gets hit a certain percentage of the time. They have another percentage for the 100%, but it's a little lower. But I really, really like the 50%. I really like the 25%. When I'm going for scalps, the 25% initial balance extension is like, But the 50% is good enough, and we had enough buying going on that I felt pretty confident in holding for that 50% extension. On top of that, I already had the bag prior to making this trade. Like, I have my several different accounts. This account is strictly for my IB longs or shorts. When we break initial balance, that's what I use this account for. So I was pretty confident, and it was basically no risk to me, right? It was no risk to my main account. It already had the bag made, so I could just make this trade and hold it till my target, which I ended up moving down to the 50%, even though I wanted 38.80. Moved it down to the 50%, which was right there at 38.70. Just put it at 38.69 because, I mean, you guys all know the answer to that. 69 mean level is god tier, and like, it stopped right there, right? And then we got a little bit of a pump above, and then I think earnings ended up tanking it because Google missed by a cool billion. Oh, Sethmo says that my stream is at not at 1080. I know my internet's good. That's not my internet is not an issue. We have some of the fastest internet on the planet, right? So let me check. Hello, Mr. Decoy. How are you, sir? I'm trying to figure out how I can get my stream output. Streaming. Trying to figure out how to get my streaming to 1080. Wonder if that helps. Stream. Video. I got my settings over here. We're looking at how to so I went and changed video, this output scaled resolution to 1920 by 1080. Maybe that'll work. I'm not sure if I have to restart to do that though. No, this is important, Mr. Sethmo. This is very important information. We got to get this thing to 1080. There's no reason it should be at 720. I bought a supercomputer so that I can stream at 1080. So let's go ahead and get this fixed. It's not like we can take any trades right now anyway, right? We're at the high of day. I'm not going to get long. Definitely not shorten this thing either. Oh my god. So, refresh and try now, Mr. Seth, and tell me if it works. YouTube locks me at 720 until partnership. That's what Mr. Decoy is saying. Let me, does YouTube lock you at 720 stream? Does YouTube limit stream quality? I just want, and I don't want to watch a video. Just there's a cat trying to get downstairs. Can you live stream? How do I get my streaming YouTube? I wonder if it's in my... Nope, that's not it. Let me go to my my channel here and see if I can go into my stream studio. And see if we can't get this dialed. This shouldn't be a problem that we have. You think for 1080 I need to be around 6K subs? What's my bitrate settings? Well, let's check my bitrate settings. Output. Bitrate. Yeah, see, it won't let me adjust any of this. Yeah, I that's what I thought you meant at first, but see, I'm locked here at video bitrate, so I'm wondering if I have to change it through YouTube. So let's go back to this. See if I can't. See if we can't get this dialed. YouTube Live dashboard. There we go. Start. There we go. Okay, so now I'm in my stream connection here, stream health, stream settings. No, I can't change it in here, so it's definitely gonna be 1040p. Okay, resolutions. So what if I'm wondering if it has to do with the latency. I think it has to do with the latency. Okay, we'll see you, Jordan. Have a good day. Thank you for stopping by. It's not the latency? Because I have it on ultra low latency. Settings are locked in OBS because I'm live. Oh. So should I just end the stream and restart it? Here. Let me Let me end the stream and then we'll restart it because there's only 5 of you here and I'm not that concerned. Here, let's just fix this real quick. And then we'll come right back.